I open my camera for speaking English practice, and we can say how I practice in English. I remember just because spending 1 or 2 hours on social media, and suddenly I saw a reels in which that a motivational reel, and in which people said कि what is the real goal of your. So I think the purpose of that video is कि what is your main goal and what you did or what you will do for that goal today. This is why I make this you know phone like this, and I am just capturing myself while I will speak. This is my continuous routine. Whether I make mistakes, I don't care about anyone. And I posting on YouTube regular basis. This is how I practice, and this is how I am improving. You can see I am improving or not because I uploaded each and every video, because I practice on daily basis, because there is no point to spend and waste. I can't say spend, waste on time on social media. This is why I realized that this is you know could be one skill, that is English speaking. Well, I don't know how shift my career. English will shift my career in dramatically in my profession, because being a lawyer, I have to speak in English, because this is the profession. We can argue and we can deal with people in my native language Hindi, but it is not a obligatory thing. It is up to us, and it is up to me to learn this language, because of I heard from a podcast कि English is not a language, English is a life. If you feel it, you can be better fast. And there are lots of people I see, and they will talk to each other. I want to speak English, and I am just trying to. I just joined the coaching. I am just going to the coaching for practice and for English speaking. I just joined the coaching of English speaking course. I just enroll in the course of English speaking journey, and within 90 days you will be fluent. Within 90 days or within 30 days you will be able to speak in English only. But after that time, they they students, they all students will or would feel that they are not getting fluency. You know what the reason is? The main reason is they are not practicing enough, because of they know English. I I think the all people who are thinking in English, and I think they are fluent in mind, because of there is any condition we would give to them and say just translate in English. So our mind translate quickly in our mind, but when it times to speak and communicate, because communication is a real thing. Because I am just making this video, I am just speaking what's come in my mind, but my mind give the words to my tongue, and my tongue just speak out. And sometime I just flickered, sometime I just got scared, sometimes my mind got blank. And this is why I gave my mind such conditions and such situations to speak on. But somehow in that time I just think I don't have words to enough words to speak on that situation. But this is not the reality. Reality is we don't know how to express it in a correct way. Because of I am just sharing to you what I am sharing with you. And this is how I practice. You can see in my videos, daily videos, this is how I practice. Because of whatever I see, I observe all the, little things, so that I can be, I can be like yes, I can explain each and everything in English. Because of I want to, get I want to get some topics to practice on. This is why I, I can say it is compulsion of mine to, find the things to practice with. I don't know what to say now, but if I talk about, I want to do many things, and I want to do, they are, you know what is the main purpose of my mind is doing podcast on my main channel. There is main channel of mine. I am not uploading these types of video because this is a kind of practice of mine for me only. And if you are seeing this video, you can see ki how I practice and I am improving or not. If I am improving, you can do like this, and I am not improving, you can't do that. And you should not do what I am doing right now. Because of if I am not, gaining, if I am not improving myself, you can see my first video and this video, you can see my fluency, you can see my, accent, you can see my pronunciation in that video and now this video. You will see definitely the huge difference, I guess, because I feel, you know a confident, not so confident, but I feel so confident because I, guess the condition in my mind and I quick, translate in English. But I want to, such kinds of things to, my, I want to train my mind like this ki whenever I see whatever, my mind just keep the word to my tongue to speak in English only. Are you getting what I'm saying and what I want to express to you? And I am not saying ki how fast I will speak. I am just, speak slowly so that you can understand my message, what I want to say to you, what I want to convey with you, what I want to share with you, how I practice of English speaking so that I can improve my accent pronunciation and gaining fluency. This is why, I am not, you know I don't think a fast speaker is always be, right. They also makes mistakes and I am also make mistakes. And when a child start to speak, they sometimes, we also, give the words to the child ki say this, hey, say this and say this. If he, makes mistakes frequently basis, we laughs and we gives the words again and again, hey, say this and say this, and we laughs on him. But he don't, kid don't, or we can say, we can't use don't. Kid doesn't, sigh because he want to know the things in a crazy way, because he want to speak. This is why he want to learn. If he makes mistakes, after some time he, when we gives the same word again and again to pronounce, say this, because we feels pleasure and we laugh sometimes at kid, and the kid say the same word again and again and again. And kids, getting better after, saying that loud and saying again and again at the same word. This is why. And there is so many words are there in which I can be, stuck. I can be, my tongue got slipped sometime, because there are many times of, you know I want to say there are so many words like I was not able to, say, or we can say pronounce preliminary. And now I can say I just I just practice in my mind preliminary, 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 that. And then I just go to a quiet place. There was no one around me, and I was a preliminary, 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 preliminary. This is how, you know my mind say to my tongue ki, this is how you can say, and this is how our mouth, this is why it's necessary to speaking. I want to say, because of this is why I feel some kinds of, you can see my face expression, but I will not edit this video. I want to, see myself in future ki this kind of fluency I had, and now this kind of fluency I had right now. Are you getting what I'm saying? I want to, measure my journey. I want to trace my journey. And after 6 months, I will see my, this kind of fluency and these kinds of video. And then I will realize that I got, stuck in that sentence, and I got stuck at that video, framing sentence and some kinds of, situations. This is why. And whenever I feel stuck कि I can't express this situation in English, I just write it down in my diary कि what is the really word of what we can say in English. And I, practice on that sentence. I am not practice on the word. I make the sentence through the word. And if there is a phrase, I use that phrase in multiple sentences, and I practice of speaking again and again of such kinds of, sentences. For example, there is a word, preliminary. So I'm just going to I there are three stages of examination. First one is preliminary, second one is mains, and third one is interview. And I am going to the Delhi for preliminary examination of UPSC and judiciary, we can say. This is how I make myself these kinds of, sentences by using that word, which I am, getting stuck. And this is how I practice on daily basis. And if I am improving myself, I am not communicating with them. I am just, speaking with myself, because of I want to, make my mouth, so that I will not mispronounce, I can say. This is why I am making this kinds of practice. And if you like it, subscribe it. Thank you so much.